Hello, good evening friends. Today I am going to show you facial massage for anti-aging. There are a lot of anti-aging products available in the market, but those are expensive. Everyone can't afford them. So I am showing you very easy method to reduce fine line, wrinkles naturally. So for this massage you need almond oil, olive oil or coconut oil. So I am using almond oil. So just don't take too much, just take little and dot on your face like this. Then start massaging. First you have to just dab the oil on your palm like this, then start massaging gently, just like this, circular motion. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise. On forehead, give little pressure like this. Then just like this. Around your eyes, just take these two fingers and massage like this. This massage will reduce your appearance, fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness of your eyes, as well as it will gives you relaxation, because massaging increases blood circulation like this. On nose, then like this. All massage stroke should be inside to outside like this. Then same. on your forehead. Then just like this, do your hands like punching, then massage like this. Don't give too much pressure, just little bit like this. Then on your forehead. Then pinching on your face like this. Then slapping like this. So every day if you do this massage for at least 10 minutes, it will help it will help you a lot. So please find some time for you and do this facial massage, and you will surely see the result. And after the massage you will also feel relaxed. And after oil massage you have to wash your face with your regular face wash. So I am going to wash my face, and after that I will come back, so stay tuned. So I am back after washing my face. So after washing your face, just apply your regular night cream and do this massage at night, because at night our skin is on repair mode, so it will help you a lot. And for this massage you can take almond oil, olive oil, or simple coconut oil, and it will help you. But as it is totally natural, so it will take some time, but it will give you result. So you can do it at home easily, and stay tuned with me for natural remedies, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.